Craving something delicious? Let's make chicken shawarma. Start with marinated chicken, bursting with Middle Eastern spices. Grill it to perfection, ensuring it's juicy and flavorful. Next, warm up your pita bread and spread a generous layer of creamy garlic sauce. Add fresh veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce for that perfect crunch. Now, pile on the succulent chicken, wrap it up, and enjoy. Chicken shawarma, a mouth-watering blend of spices, textures, and flavors, perfect for any meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.